Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. In this episode, we're going to go through how to view your account information using the merchant website. First, log into repeatrewards.com using the credentials given. Then, from the left-hand navigation, select My Account. From here, you'll see the information that we have for you on file, your locations information, as well as your payment information that we have for your invoicing. You can also view your current balance on your open invoices and select additional options from the left-hand side, such as Program Management. In this area, you'll see the information about your reward structure, including how many points it takes to earn a reward, what the value of it is, the number of days it is valid for, and how it's being delivered. You'll also find information about your VIP programs if applicable here. Then you can choose Edit Defaults. Here, if all of your members or a large percentage of your members are from the same city, state, zip, or country, you can select a preset that will autofill to make data entry faster. You can also choose a default search type if there's a preferred way you'd like to be able to search for members other than by their member number. A common one is the last name. And then choose Update to save. The next option is for employee IDs. Here, you can associate names to the employee IDs being used for transactions to make reporting more user-friendly. You can also choose Edit Communication Seeds. In this area, you can set up a seed or a person from your company to receive marketing communication when it is sent so that you can better time when members will be receiving things, such as if you wanted to have a seed receive a birthday promotion every time we sent a birthday mailer, you could set one up here and save it in order to seed them in on that communication each month. Other options found in the My Account area are to update your password. You'll input your current password, the new one you'd like it to be, and then the new one again to verify and hit change. You can also view your invoices, so you can view past closed invoices, as well as open invoices, and you can view and save and download invoices here for future reference. You can update an enrollment goal, which shows on the home page so that you can set a goal for your staff to sign up new members and keep promoting the program by doing so here. You can set up alerts to be emailed to you for certain things, which we'll cover in another video, and you can view our contact information as well. We can be reached at 866-268-4958 or merchant services at repeatrewards.com, and we are in the office from 8 to 5 Central Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So thank you for watching this episode from our learning channel, and please contact us with any questions.